Then the third one, C question, we have x plus age minus x within brackets divided by 6. So let's first do the substitution. Okay, x, what do we have x? X is 25, right? Contents of x. So x is 25. Then we have age here. Age, we have age is 37, right? So let's substitute that. And then once again we are using the x again. X is same value, 25. Okay, so let's put the rest of the symbols around that. See the plus, open bracket, close bracket, divided by 6. So now this exact expression is there. We have substituted with the relevant variable actual values at this point in time. If remember again, once again, if this had different values, then you have to put those values, okay? But in this case, we are assuming these are the current values. So we take that current values and work. So we have substituted that. Now we go to the solving part. How do you solve this? Yeah, plus, minus, bracket, division. Brackets have to be done as the most highest priority one. So we do this first. So when you do that, 37 minus 25 is 12. Then we'll put the rest of the equation here, 25 plus, then this is 12 divided by 6. Okay, this whole thing has become 12. Now, what do we have? We have a plus and a division. Which one do we do first? We do the division first. Okay, division has high priority over addition. So we have to do this. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And we have the 25 plus here. So now we have the final part, which is 25 plus 2, which is 27. So if this is the expression, assuming x contains 25, age contains 37, the answer is 27. If we solve this expression, you have to get 27. Okay. C. Then we have D. Now again we are using x, age x divided by 6, almost same kind of a equation. But here the only thing is we are not referring to the variable because the double quotes take the highest priority. So the moment you have something around double quotes, these are considered alphanumeric constants. So this is not x variable. This is not this. This is the letter x itself. Same way, this open quotes, double quotes, second double quote is here surrounding this. So this whole thing is exactly same. So when you have expression like this and we have plus, so this is alphanumeric x, this is alphanumeric open bracket age minus x close bracket divided by 6, and the plus in between is concatenation or add, because with alphanumeric this is not normal plus arithmetic. Okay, this is kind of plus, it joins. It's a join operator. And in term we call it concatenate. So directly there is no substitution. You don't put 25 here. You don't put 37 under age or 25 under x, because this is not referring to the variables. These are just constant same value. So when you solve this, the result of that is this. See, nothing to do with the variable. The x letter comes in and the rest of the things as it is comes just after that. There are no spaces in between. That's why after x immediately you get this open bracket and the age minus x close bracket divided by 6. So now the expression or the string, we also call this a string. When you concatenate x and this one, the result is x open bracket age minus x close bracket slash x. So this, if you get with double quotes, do not put these values and solve. Okay, double quotes has the highest priority. These are constants, alphanumeric constants. So the result is this. Remember that. Okay, D we have done now. Let's go to E. Now in this one I have put the entire thing within double quotes. So once again, even though this looks like a numeric expression where x is added to open bracket age minus x close bracket divided by 6, it's not that. When you put double quotes, you are saying you take this exactly as it is. So no replacement will be done. X will not be replaced with 25 or age will not be replaced with 37. So this expression results in the same expression. X plus open bracket. So now it won't solve this. If you give this to the computer, it will not solve it. It will just display the same thing. That is the idea of an alphanumeric constant. This is an alphanumeric value. So therefore in alphanumeric there are no arithmetic operations. If you want to display exactly this on the screen, this is how you display. If you don't have the double quotes, then it will put the value x with 25 and do the solving in that manner. So in this case, since we have double quotes, the result is also the same thing. Okay, that's E. F, here we have ME within double quotes. So that's an alphanumeric constant. But this one doesn't have a double quotes. Therefore, this Y refers to the variable. Whereas ME refers to just the word letters M and E. So let's substitute the Y with the contents of the Y, which is Linda. So basically Y means this. Within double quotes, Linda. That's exactly what it means. Why double quotes? Because this is a alphanumeric constant. So that we have to add ME plus. Okay, so we put that ME and ME within double quotes and a plus. So this is a concatenation. So we are now concatenating ME and the word Linda. Right? So the result of that will be ME and Linda. So when you solve the expression ME alphanumeric constant ME plus Y, Y is an alphanumeric variable, this one, okay? Because there is no double quotes here. There is no double quotes opening and closing Y. Therefore, Y is a variable. It's not an alphanumeric constant. So that's why when you refer to Y, we don't take it as Y, we take the contents of the Y. Whenever you use a variable, you take the contents of the variable. So in this case, contents of Y is Linda. So we get Linda. So ME plus Linda, the result is ME LINDA joined. This is a concatenation operation, concatenation or join operation. So the result of this will be a new string where open brackets ME LINL capital, okay, INDA close bracket. So close double quotes. So this is the alphanumeric constant, which is the result of this expression. So if we solve this, this is the answer we get. Okay, F. Then we go to G. Now in this case, both of them I am showing you different versions. Okay, here I have put double quotes in Y. So that means I am saying do not use the X variable, use the Y letter itself. So whenever you have double quotes, you are telling the system use the same thing. So use ME and concatenate that to Y. So these two will be joined and the result will be MEY. See, that is, the Linda was not taken here. Because here we are not telling it to take the Linda, we are telling the expression to join the letter Y because it's in double quotes and therefore this is an alphanumeric constant. So ME alphanumeric constant joined to Y alphanumeric constant, the result is ME Y. And see the case also, okay, this is capital, this is simple, this is capital, same resultant one also in the same format. Okay, G. H. Now this time we are using Y plus gender. Now there are no double quotes, so we are not referring to Y here, and we are not referring to the word gender. We are not referring to the letter Y or the word gender because these do not have double quotes. Therefore, these are two variables. Therefore, Y is this variable, gender is this variable. So Y we will replace with the word Linda, and gender we will replace with the word female. Okay, and then the plus in between. Join. So now we are joining, concatenating Linda and female. So when you say Y plus gender, this is exactly what it means at this time because Y contains Linda. If Y had some other word, then we have to use that word here. Okay. So in this case, we have Linda, so we are using Linda. Again, similarly, gender has female, so we are using female. If gender had some other word, we had to use that word here. Okay. We have to refer to the contents of the gender and take it. At this point, it's female. That's what we are assuming. Okay, so we are concatenating Linda and female, and you concatenate Y and gender. So the result of that is Linda, female. There are no spaces in between, just notice, okay, LINDA, after that capital F, EMALE. So open double quotes here, in double quotes to show this is an alphanumeric constant, Linda, female. Okay, that's the result of solving this expression. And remember, when you are solving this expression, we are referring to these variables. Okay, the assumed values are given here. Right, that's H.